Hey, so this is the first video report for the final project of our object-oriented programming class by the team Strike Back. Let me introduce you to our team members. There is Bakhtawa Shafqat, there is Laiba Fatma Khan, and then there is me, Sayyidana Sali. So first of all, let me tell you about our game. So once the game starts, this splash screen will appear that tells us about the title of our game, that's Strike Back. Then after a few seconds, this menu screen will appear. Over here we have three options, either to start the game, to see the instructions, or quit from the game. So once you start the game will start and you will be in charge of controlling the flight of this plane by either going up or down using the arrow up or down button. From the other side of the screen, the enemy planes will be approaching you. You will have to save yourself by not getting hit by these planes. Every time this one of these planes hit you, your life will go down by one. You will have 3 lives at most. But what you can do is you can catch power-ups that will be coming from the other side of the screen in order to increase your life by 1. Your goal is to spend as much time in this game as possible, so this score will be determined by how many seconds you spend in the game. Initially you will be given 1 minute to play the game, but you can catch clocks that will be coming from the other side of the screen in order to increase your time by 10 seconds. Once the game ends, this screen will appear. So let me show you about the header classes. We have created some 22 to 23 header files for our project that we will be using in order to construct our game. Let me show you the UML diagram. So this is the UML diagram that we have created. So these are some of the classes. There is the word class, score class, timer class, life class. These are pretty self-explanatory what these classes will be representing. So there's a character class, there's the L texture. These are basically representing the header files, but of course later on they will be used to develop the classes. These are the 4 classes representing different screens. Some of them I've already shown you. They are all inherited from the screen class, from one screen class. There's this unit class that's following the singleton design methodology, and it will be used in a game as well. Other than that, there is the factory design methodology that will be used, and then there is the power up class. There is life bonus class, time bonus class, and as I've already told you, there are power ups that you can catch in order to increase your life by 1. And then there is the player class, of course, and the enemy jet class. These are the distribution of the work that we have planned so far. Other than that, these are the sprites that we are planning to use. The enemy planes, these are the tentative sprites for the enemy planes that we might be using in our game. This is the background of our game, so these will be used on the menu screen. These are tentative to be used as the enemy planes. Again, enemy planes. This will be used as power-ups that will be coming from the other side of the screen. Again, enemy planes. These are the enemy planes are tentative. We will decide which sprite we will exactly use once we start building the game. These are again the tentative enemy planes that will be coming from the other side of the screen. This plane will be used as the plane that will be controlled by the player, and this plane will have to be saved by not getting hit by the enemy planes that will be coming from the other side of the screen. So let me quickly tell you about the milestones that we have set for ourselves. So by the 18th between 18 to 22nd of November, we are planning to create the main game, the unit class, the game class, and the linked list and everything, like and etc. If we get more time, this is tentative, so if we get more time we would also do for the classes, but in that time what we have planned right now is these classes. Other than that, from 25 to 29th of November, we will be creating the bars class, the power ups class, design patterns, time, and some more classes other than that, and then finally we will be working on the final game integration. So thank you.